In 2026, AI website builders are no longer a nice to have. They're essential tools for creators. Small businesses, agencies, and anyone who wants a professional online presence without endless development work. Two of the most talked about builders right now are Lovable and Cursor. Both promise to help you build full websites with AI, but they take very different approaches. So which one will actually serve your needs this year? Let's break it down. First, let's look at Lovable. Lovable positions itself as a human-first AI website builder, designed to create full sites with personality, not just basic templates. Instead of filling out endless forms or dragging blocks around manually, you start by telling Lovable what your site is for: a business homepage, a portfolio, an online store, or a landing page for an event. You can even describe the tone or brand vibe you're going for. In response, Lovable uses generative AI to write copy, suggest layouts, choose color schemes, and structure the content in a way that feels coherent and tailored. One of Lovable's biggest strengths is its writing and UX emphasis. The AI doesn't just arrange a header and a footer, it writes headlines about sections, feature highlights, and even call to action text that fits your brief. For many small business owners and creators, this means you don't need a copywriter or designer to start with. It feels like you're co-creating your site with a teammate who gets the voice and message you want. Lovable also integrates basic SEO suggestions and analytics tracking, which helps you launch a site that is discoverable and ready for real traffic. For users who want a website that looks intentional and polished without hiring a professional, Lovable fits that need beautifully. On the other hand, we have Cursor. Cursor takes a different approach. It's built with developers and power users in mind, while still offering AI-driven workflows that speed up site creation. Instead of just generating a site in a single pass, Cursor lets you interact with your project like you would with a development environment. You can generate components, rewrite sections with prompts, query your content, and iterate in a controlled way. With Cursor, the focus is on flexibility and control. If you know a little bit about HTML, CSS, or structuring content, Cursor's AI can be pushed much further with custom prompts. Create a hero section with a gradient background and 3 key benefits, or suggest a footer layout that adapts for mobile. Because you're interacting directly with the structure, you're not boxed into a fixed template. You shape the site with prompts that feel more like development commands than form fields. For teams, Cursor shines because multiple people can contribute to the evolution of a single site and use prompts to drive consistent revisions. If you're building something that needs to scale, you're not just choosing predefined blocks, you're actively generating code or structured content that fits your vision. When we compare these two in 2026, the difference becomes clear. Lovable is about simplicity and speed, and Cursor is about control and customizability. Some users choose Lovable because they want a beautiful, complete site without any manual tinkering. They want the AI to handle copywriting, layout, and general structure so they can focus on running their business. It's ideal for entrepreneurs, freelancers, consultants, or anyone launching a project quickly. Other users choose Cursor because they want deeper customization and a workflow closer to traditional development, except much faster. Thanks to AI, Cursor doesn't just generate a site once, it becomes part of your iterative design process. That makes it great for agencies, startups building landing pages with specific integrations, or developers who want AI to augment their toolkit without replacing Control. In terms of technical depth, Lovable is tailored to non-technical users and specializes in site generation with personality and content quality. Cursor is tailored to users who want interactive control, prompting flexibility, and advanced customization. So which one do you actually need in 2026? The answer depends on how you work and what need means to you. If you want a professional site with minimal effort, polished copy, and a human-friendly vibe, Lovable is an excellent choice. If you want fine-tuned control, prompt-driven customization, and a system that scales with your technical skills, Cursor is worth investing your time in. Both are real, actively developed tools that fill a place in the modern creator's toolkit. Neither is a magic wealth machine, but each can help you cut hours off your production cycle and launch faster. If this comparison helped you pick which AI website builder suits your workflow. Leave a like, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop a comment telling me, are you Team Lovable or Team Cursor in 2026? Stay creative, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.